And my school name is Wings with Wings. I'll show you where that chart.
Very good. Adya, show me summer season. Very good. What is that picture?
Sunny.
How is it in summer season? It is hot or cold?
Hot.
Very good. Show me winter. Very good. What is the picture?
Jacket.
Why do we wear jacket?
Because it will be cold.
Very good. Show me rainy. Very good. What is that picture?
Umbrella.
Why do we use umbrella?
Because it will be so much rain.
Rainy. Very good. Show me autumn. Okay. Why is that picture there?
Because leaves are falling down.
In which season?
In autumn.
Very good. Good job, Adya.